Have you ever felt frustrated because no matter how hard you try, your diet just isn't working? You cut calories, avoid your favorite foods, maybe even try the latest fad diet, but the results never last. Here's the truth. Most diets fail not because of you, but because of how they're designed. Reason number one? They're too restrictive. When you suddenly cut out entire food groups, your body fights back. You feel tired, cranky, and eventually, cravings win. Reason number two. You're focusing only on calories, not nutrition. Yes, calories matter, but so does the quality of your food. A donut and a bowl of oatmeal might have similar calories, but they fuel your body very differently. Reason number three. Your lifestyle doesn't match your diet. If your plan requires hours in the kitchen or avoiding family dinners, it won't last. A successful diet should fit into your life, not the other way around. So, how do you fix it? First, shift your mindset. Instead of chasing a diet, focus on building sustainable habits. Eat whole, nutrient-dense foods most of the time, but allow flexibility for treats. Second, pay attention to protein, fiber, and hydration. They keep you full and energized. And third, remember, progress is about consistency, not perfection. Small, realistic changes done daily beat extreme diets every time. Your diet isn't failing you. Just need the right strategy. If you found this helpful and want more science-based tips on nutrition and healthy living, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Because a healthy lifestyle isn't about quick fix it's about lasting change.